Pleasant morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Sumitra. I'm here to present you about the autoencoder using design thinking. The autoencoders are the type of artificial neural network used for unsupervised learning. They consist of an encoder and the decoder. The encoder compresses the input data into a legend-based representation, while the decoder reconstructs the original input from its representation. They are mainly used for a task like a dimensional reduction, feature learning, and the data denoising. Implementing this auto decoder through design thinking involves approaching the development process with empathy, creativity, iterations to ensure the model effectively learns and reconstruct the data. Our students will discuss each and every stages one by one.
The essential features of the input data. In design thinking, autoencoders empathize with the data, trying to understand its fundamental structure by learning to reconstruct it. Then, defining the problem. Autoencoder objective in defining the problem is to define a compact representation of the input. In design thinking, the model defines a compressed, efficient representation that captures the most important aspects of the data.
So good evening, I'm going to tell about the third step, ideate. It is the generative idea. And in the autoencoder objective, ideate is by finding the best mapping from input to output. And in the design thinking, autoencoded ideate is by exploring different ways to compress and reconstruct data and optimizing the encoder decoder process. And the fourth step is prototype. The prototype is building a solution. In autoencoder objective, build a model that can effectively encode and decode data. And in the design thinking, the model is the prototype built to transform data into a more compact and useful representation. Thank you.
Autoencoders with design thinking. Autoencoder objective. Test the reconstruction quality and efficiency of the learned representation. Design thinking. Autoencoders test by evaluating how well they can reconstruct input data, seeking feedback on the quality of their learned representations. Benefits. Efficient representation. Like a good design, an effective autoencoder captures the essence of the input data elements. Future extraction. Just a design extracts core elements for a solution. Autoencoders extract essential feature for downstream tasks. Optimization. Both design and autoencoders aim to optimize design for user experience, autoencoders for data representation.
Hence, I conclude the design thinking and the autoencoder shares a common thread: understanding the problem, defining a solution, ideating for innovation, prototype for implementing, and testing for effectiveness. Autoencoders, through their structure and training process, embody the principles, asking to those in design thinking, making them a powerful tool for a learning representation of a complex data. I hope you are clear with this concept. Thank you.